Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to restore deleted chats on Instagram. So, if you have accidentally deleted chats on Instagram, while Instagram doesn't officially provide a feature to recover deleted messages, there are ways to retrieve your chat history using data downloads, third-party apps, or backups. Follow this step-by-step guide to recover your Instagram chats in 2025. So, method 1 is requesting Instagram data. Simply open Instagram on your mobile phone, click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen, click on three-lined icon at the top right, and it is going to show you this page where you can click on the option that says Your Activity. Now, scroll down and click on Download Your Information button. So, it is going to take you to this page where you can easily choose to download your information. So, click on Download or Transfer Information button at the top. Now, choose the Instagram account that you want to download the messages for and click on Next. Now, choose Some of Your Information button and choose Messages from this. So you can easily download the activity for all of these elements, but we are going to choose messages because we are going to restore our deleted chats on Instagram. Now, simply click on next and it is going to take you to this page where you can click on download to device. Now, choose create files option and make sure that you have added the email where you want this file to be sent to. Now, after this, click on create files and a download file will be created which will be viewed here. Now, you will get an email from Instagram that will look something like this. And it will say your meta information download is ready. So simply click on the download button that will appear just right here. Now you'll have to simply enter your password and click on continue. After which, you'll be able to access your old deleted chats on Instagram. Now, method 2 is checking connected Facebook account. So, open Facebook Manager. Then log into Messenger using the Facebook account linked to your Instagram. Then check if your deleted Instagram messages appear in the Messenger's chat history. Now method 3 is restoring via device backup. For Android, simply check Google Drive or any third-party backup apps where your information could be installed if you have enabled auto backup. Now, method 4 is using third-party recovery tools. So you can use tools like Dr. Phone, iMovie Phone Rescue or TenorShare Alt Data. And follow the tool's instructions to scan for deleted data, then locate the deleted Instagram chats and recover them. Also, I have some important tips for you. Avoid unverified third-party apps that claim to recover Instagram chats as they might compromise your data. Also, to avoid losing important chats, periodically back up your Instagram data through the app. With these steps, you can try to recover your deleted Instagram chats effectively in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.